Alright, lesson 12, creating the mug through the GUI. And this is for the creating the shape of the mug with the GUI, new shape of the creating the handle with the rim of the mug, mind the shape of the make of the region with a combination. Check with the data tree, make a correction that adds material to the prompt with the combination editor. Previous two lessons, you created the mug with an entry command with a window prompt. Now you can create the same type of with the GUI, different shape. By opening with a new database, cover the mug 2 database, create the bug, move the bug, or with the create menu with the type of the right cylindrical cylinder, open the under cones and cylinders category, and the name of the right cylindrical cylinder, call it the outside shape. Go to the edit menu. You will be offered the following options: set H, and then all these drop over. These are the drops over the edit menus. Set H the front view with the move with your mouse cursor to the lower half of the screen and select click the middle mouse button to reduce the scale with the cylindrical height. Select the set A, B, C, D. Move your mover cursor upper half of the screen. Click the middle mouse button to green screen with the diameter of the cylinder. Accept your shape of the object. Appear with the cylinder with the one shown figure. No, if any time when you're editing the GUI you don't like your change, that you can reject the review of the change of the reset with the return shape of the original form. However, the select the reject will have the re-enter the primitive edit state described in the previous lesson. Next, create the inside right cylindrical cylinder and name it inside shape of the each cylinder, same way with the outside cylinder. Before you accept your changes, view the view on the top. Make your cylinders in alignment. If these cylinders are out of the alignment, use the shift key and left mouse button with the drag inside cylinder the position move of the view in front with accept your change of the cylinder and or lined up. Cylinders look up in the following examples. 2 cylinders shown in the front view. Alright, note, remember that when the scale shape of the position of the mouse and point with the graphic windows will determine how large and small the change will be. The scale of the more closer the mouse are pointed to the center horizontal line on the window, the smaller the change will be and vice versa. Alright, creating the handle with the mug with it. Previously, we made a handle with the mug by using the elliptical torus, and let's left to make the handle with by selecting torus, which is the down shape of the menu with the shape, and then selecting torus handle shape. Edit menu will now offer the different parameters for those of the right circular cylinders shown in the following list. Set up with the radius 1, rotate, translate, scale, and then with the above reject, accept them, apply, reset, primitive, diameter, combination, editor. In this instance, it says set radius 1 chain with the distance for the center of the donut hole with the middle of the middle of the dough. Set 2 reduce the chain with the radius of the donut ring with the same technique with the existing editing right cylindrical shape for the shape of the edge of the torso and looks like a similar following example. Your mug and handle with the front view and mug with a handle with the top view. Check with the mug with the top to make sure the handle is assigned. Accept your challenge. When finished creating the rim of the mug, make the rim of the mug. Select the tour, name the rim shape. Rotate command, the type of the command. Position 090. Rotate towards 90 degrees about the y-axis. Scale of the edit vary for the parameters. Tour for the front with the top view for the more local. Looks and similar to the following example. The more, make sure to set up the chain that you are finished. For creating the combination various shape, combine the various shape of the mug with the type of the following commands with a combination mug with a combination outside shape that binds to the inside shape, enter combination handle combination with the union handle shape that binds to the outside shape, combination of the mug combined with the union rim. Previous the 2 lessons for the recall of the command works. Alright, 5. To make a region over the combination, make with the region with a combination, use script with the type of the command window prompt. The region mug with the region union mug combination union handle. Check with the data tree. Before continuing the would be check your data with the tree with the book would agree with the following tree. Mug region or mug combination union outside shape minus inside shape union rim shape. Union handle shape minus outside shape. If your data tree does not like the example, you'll need to go back and figure out where you're going wrong. If necessary, you can kill out the shape of the combination, the regions type in the command window prompt. Kill name with shape of the region, combination region, enter. For example, the listeners usually create with the extra shape of the name of the ribbon shape 2. You no longer want to kill the shape that you would type. Kill rim shape 2. Assign the material property with the combination, enter the code, the edit menu with the combination, enter the toggle mug name, enter the press, enter 01480 for the color box, select the plastic shader, check with the bowling expression box to make sure that it is union mug combination, union handle combination. When you finish, click the apply on the dismiss command window and the type of the prompt being B mug region 2. B-Mug region, enter. Alright, retrace and design, go to the view option in the menu bar, select the azimuth angle and the elevation angle, and go to the file, and then ray trace. Select white background in ray trace for your design. Click on the overlay. Ray tracing furnishes should look like the following example. The completed ray trace. Alright, your review in this lesson: you created the shape of the mug with a GUI, using the new shape of the grid with the handle with the rim of the mug, combining the shape of the made, the region combination, check with the data tree, made connection, sign material property, give the combination editor. Alright, lesson 13, placing shapes in 3D spaces.